Hi, so the next part of the video is going to be to understand the difference between lexical and dynamic scoping. So let's run our program, and if I type scope, it can toggle switching on and off. It can switch to lexical scoping, and if you want to go back to dynamic scoping, you can just like type the same command one more time and scope. So now let's treat it this as dynamic scoping. And as we all know, Python is a lexical scoping. So if I run this Python script, it will be 11 and 11. The reason is the Python uses lexical scoping, meaning if it cannot find its local variable, it will look for the namespace in which for the variable the namespace in which the function has been defined instead of invoked. And if I scroll down, this is the exact same code for the PostScript, and I'm just going to run this. So I'll run this and opening a local scope, pushing a new dictionary, size of 3, du- duplicate and adding, and this, and 10, I and C. The result, it will be, the result will be 11, right? The same result that we see, nothing interesting. Um, but like, what if I run the second part of this code? So I'm just going to clear this and outer. The result, interestingly, now the result is 12. The reason is the PostScript uses the lexical scoping, and my program is currently switched on to the lexical scoping, meaning it will, if it cannot find its local variable, instead it will look for the namespace in which to look up the variable in which where the function has been invoked instead of called. That's why there's a difference in the behavior. Now, what if I switch it back to lexical scoping now? Now I'm switching to lexical scoping. I'm just going to run the exact same code now. So running the exact same code, opening a local scope, pushing a new dictionary, and 10, I and C, equal sign, the result, 11. Nothing interesting, the same. And what if I clear it and then run the second part of the code? So um, now, as you see, the result has been switched from 12 to 11. The reason is now it has been switched on the lexical scoping instead of the dynamic scoping.